Good morning, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. On this episode, I'm going to kind of dabble with trying to finish the aluminum panels. I've got the one panel that you can see we've got all fabbed up here, our master cylinder. So the panel's going to go over this. I'm going to try scratching this with 220 and then put a light coat of clear on to see what the look is going to be like. And if I like it, I'm going to do the rest of the panels that way. So we're going to kind of show you how to do this, just kind of give it a different look. I had somebody wanted me to jewel it, you know, you get all these little circles, but I don't like that look. I'm going to kind of go with this scratch. So I said I've got some 220 wet dry. We're going to sand it and clear it, so that way I don't have to worry about, you know, try now you touch this stuff and you get tarnish marks on it, not worth the grief. So we'll clear, then it just wipes right off. The aluminum will stay looking the way it's always, I mean, the way it'll stay for a long time till the clear peels off. So I'll show you how to do that, so follow along. If you like this, please hit subscribe, and looking forward to having you watch the video. So here's my panel. You can see it's looks good, clean. So I'm gonna go out, we're gonna wet sand this with some 220 on a block. So I got my block here. We're gonna put some sandpaper wet dry on this, and I'm gonna kind of scratch this in a nice straight pattern, and let's see how it looks. So as you can see here, I got my sandpaper on the sanding block, and I'm just doing nice straight lines. It'll get rid of all the other scratches. It's looking pretty good. Okay, I did up there, so now we'll slide down this way. Yeah, it's a little shiny right into here. Okay. There we go. Yeah, it looks pretty darn good. So what do you think? Well, thanks for watching another episode of the Cobra Daytona build. On this episode, I kind of gave you a glimpse into what I'm going to do with some of the visible aluminum panels. So as you can see, this is one of them, and it's got a matte clear on it after I sanded it with 220 in this direction, which looks very good with the polished aluminum reservoirs. But I love the look, and then with the stainless steel button head fasteners, it looks really clean. So I'll probably end up doing this panel, probably the sides here, because when you open the hood like this, you're gonna see that. May do that back panel and then the whole other side over there. A lot of work, but it goes pretty quick. I mean, the 220, and then you get some matte clear, just shoot it. But this should leave it that nice shiny look instead of tarnishing. And as you can see, I really like the look. So some people set it out to be powder coated, but this is what I'm gonna do. So it's something totally different. I know some other people have done this too, but I like the look, so I'm gonna go with that, very race car-ish. So thanks again for watching. If you like this video, hit subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.